Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear. Today I'm showing you this white powder coated enclosed headache rack. It's all aluminum, a couple LED lights in the top. You can do more lights or less lights, whatever you like. Lights come wired up, comes with about a 8-foot pigtail there. This one's also got the side doors, chain hangers inside, I'll show you that. Little shelf up there, chain hangers, little deflector for the chains to sit in. So you can stand on the ground and reach up and get your chains out without climbing up on the deck. But if you wanted to, you can come up here and flip up door, gas shocks. Nice big storage for signs or tarps. Here, I'll show you the metal ones here. Got some shelves. Again, more storage for pretty much anything you can think of. And this one's got the same side door access over here. For more products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.